Hello, my name is Sheetal Sharma. Hello, my name is Sheetal Sharma. I did my B in 2018 in computer science and engineering. Like as a belong to the technical field, so I want to pursue my career in IT sector, but due to some circumstances, I couldn't continue. Like I know about the Evisions in March, and so I joined the Evisions in March, and after joining the Evisions, I know about the courses and the benefits and how to grow your career in through Evisions in IT sector. So I joined the Evisions and like enrollment about the course, and after that, due to good in Evisions there is a good mentors which you will support in every sectors, like from scratch to from basic to like giving the knowledge of any aspects of IT sector which are required for uh, as a grow your career in a. So due to one month of in 1 month of this training, I learn about all the terms and technologies and which are required for to grow your career in IT sectors. So after the providing by training by the mentors, this visions provide you placement facilities also. In this placement facility, you will get call from the various from multinational companies to all companies, from product based companies also I received the call. So last week I got selected in one company as a service desk engineer, and the company name is AutoOne and private limited company, and the package I got is 2.8 LPA, and my client company is Agilite Technology, which is one of the best IT service providing company. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Visions, for growing my career in IT sector.